Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, and a quick update here. You can see Falcon is the main story today in this altcoin update, as it had a phenomenal pump. But I would highly recommend anybody that was in this, like my man, that was down a little bit and got fleece heisted and shysted, take advantage. And probably I would be selling into this, right? Because this is a major resistance zone, and the top end potential that we were talking about would have been up here. But anyone that got bought into this and got beat down, we were showing you, we had that drawn up. Look at that, right there to a T, come up, get rejected by the 50, and then come up to the 100, and that would be your upper end potential. And you can see it did it beautifully, just as drawn out on the diagram. And I would say this now would be an area that you can see the price has those big wicks up there in the 3 hour. And then if we go into the hour time frame, you can see all these big wicks. This to me is heavy sell pressure, and I would expect it to at least drop back down to the moving averages from the current price. That is a 16% fall, right? And then if you can't hold that, you're coming back down to the underneath support, which is down here at 18 cents, right? So to me, anyone that was getting beat down or bought into this or averaged down, playing a pump off of this major support zone that we showed you back with the volume indicator, this had a 76% pump to the top, and it's still up 51%. I would be selling this right now, right? Sell alert, Falcon, and rebuy back in on the breakdown, right? And then anything else that maybe is about the pump, Ravencoin, you can see had a little pump and then it faked out. But Ravencoin to me is coming down here with a freeze warning in Arizona. Pay attention. Anybody with the tender vegetation out in the desert, be on the alert that you're going to drop below freezing tonight, as you sometimes do in the desert in the wintertime when you get dry Arctic air masses overhead, long desert nights with very low dew points, right? You can drop down into the 20s and teens. And tonight it will be going down at least into the 20s with a freeze warning in the desert. But I think Ravencoin, its next destination, is coming down here to the 0.00773-ish lower support of this falling wedge, because you can see we've wicked off a few times again on the red ring and got rejected on a wick up. And I think you're coming down in the Raven, the Nord. Let's see if this thing looks like she's coming down too. But let's zoom out in Nord. Let's see if anything's been happening. You've had a big fake, a big run up. Nord to me, I'm very bearish on. I would not be doing anything swing trading in Nord right now. SDN, I believe, already had its pump. It did. It pumped from lower support to upper resistance, and now it's coming down again. It will be to its next lower support, which is going to be down in this area. So I would be selling. I would not be loading up for a buy. Falcon, emergency sell alert on that 76% pump. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, as the coins are collapsing now and the holiday sell-off is in. A Dogecoin market sell-off crash. XRP crashing down, not up, down, not up, down. Just like Georgia's going to be today in tonight's game. Down in the Orange Bowl, and the fighting Jim Harbaughs are going to fleece, heist, and shice the henchmen of the criminal gangster, the Georgia Bulldogs, just like I helped you fleece, heist, and shice this holiday flush. As we've been telling you, you're in a crypto winter, and the coins will be flushing. Bitcoin down at almost 3%. The Dogecoin down 2.5%. The XRP 3% and flushing, right? The XLM down 3%. What else do we got? Cardano getting hammered. I've been telling you these coins were going to go down. We're having major crashes on New Year's Eve as everyone's selling off the losses after they bought it on the hype train back at the beginning of the year. And they're going to write it off on their balance sheet, rebuy back in on the lows. The crash is in. 10% holiday crash is in store. Everyone's got a holiday sale coming on crypto tomorrow and the next day, as a 10 to 20% cryptocurrency flush is about to happen. I'm going to get this video out to you so it can help you fleece, heist, and shice the criminal gangsters. Peace and love. Peace and love.